Are you suffering from heartburn, acid reflux, or GERD? Do you often find yourself searching for remedies only to be bombarded with an overwhelming amount of information? Well, today we're here to simplify things for you with a proven, straightforward remedy. No fancy jargon, no expensive pills, just an easy-to-follow solution that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Heartburn, acid reflux, and GERD are all conditions that stem from the same root cause: an imbalance in the stomach's acid levels. This imbalance can lead to a burning sensation in your chest, a sour taste in your mouth, and even difficulty swallowing. But fear not, we're about to share a remedy that can help you tackle these symptoms head-on. Step 1 involves changing your eating habits. Consuming smaller meals more frequently throughout the day can prevent your stomach from producing excessive amounts of acid. Opt for 5 to 6 small meals instead of 3 large ones. This will not only maintain your energy levels, but also keep your acid production in check. The second step is to adjust your sleeping position. Elevating your upper body can prevent stomach acid from flowing back into your esophagus. Consider investing in a wedge pillow or elevating the head of your bed to achieve this. Step 3 is all about identifying and avoiding trigger foods. Common culprits include spicy foods, citrus fruits, onions, and caffeinated drinks. Keeping a food diary can help you identify which foods exacerbate your symptoms. Lastly, step 4 is to incorporate a natural supplement called DGL, or deglycyrrhizinated licorice, into your routine. This herbal remedy has been shown to soothe the esophagus and stomach lining, providing relief from heartburn and acid reflux. Now, let's quickly recap the steps. First, adjust your eating habits by opting for smaller, more frequent meals. Second, change your sleeping position to prevent acid reflux. Third, identify and avoid your trigger foods. And finally, consider incorporating a natural supplement like DGL into your regimen. Remember, every individual is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before implementing any new dietary changes or supplements. So there you have it. A simple, effective remedy for heartburn, acid reflux, and GERD. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to a happier, healthier you. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up. It's a simple action, but it means a lot to us. And if you know someone who could benefit from this information, don't hesitate to share it. Remember, knowledge is power, and sharing it can make a significant difference in someone's life. And of course, if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with more health tips and remedies. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our new videos. Your journey to a healthier life is just a click away. Thank you for your support, and remember, your health is your wealth.